Hunter. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having the greatest day and of course the greatest week. So today what I'm going to be showing you is Classy RS Rose Water Spray. This is 100% natural, no preservatives, no chemicals spray. So this spray can make your skin feel shiny, fresh, and it'll just moisturize your skin. It'll do very good for you. So yeah. So we'll start with how to use. So this is how you use the Rose Water Classy RS spray. So first you can do it for cleansing. So you can take a napkin, obviously. This I prefer you to take the soft napkins because they're better for your skin. And you could also take a cotton wipe. Cotton wipes are mainly what it's used for, but that's good. So you could take whatever you have, spray it on. And the good thing about this spray is that it's easy to spray. It's light and it's like it's not too powerful and it's light on your skin. It's just it's like mist. It's more of a mist. So we have the cotton wipe and it's time for us to put it on our skin. So all we have to do is close our eyes and start applying it to our skin. You could just lay down and relax while doing this. Your skin will feel fresh and it will be shiny after. I think I actually have used this once or twice, or a lot of times actually, because I thought that if I had a chance to use anything that would actually help my skin at a young age, I think I want to keep my skin like that, and that's what you really should do as much as you can. So, and for the tissue paper, it's really simple. It's exactly like it. All you have to do is just spray it on. It's harder with the tissue paper because it'll like just soak through, and all you have to do is apply it on your skin. Another way is for your hair. So you have to put it, like spray it on your scalp. And this is your scalp, the middle part of your hair. And then you can wash it off, or you could just let it set for a little bit, and then comb your hair after. That'd be really. It'll make your hair shiny, silky, and it'll make it feel really fresh. And your skin and your hair will smell really good after. Smell like rose. And yeah. And then you could use it for bathing. You would you would fill water in your tub, you would spray it on it, you just spray it, in the tub, and the tub will start, smelling good. It wouldn't look different, but you would go inside, you would feel fresh, you would feel good, and then when you get out and you dry up, you're going to smell really good too. So, and then And then our last but not least is storing. So you would like to keep it in a dark, like a cold area, like in a refrigerator. That would be really good. And you would keep it there because it'll save lots of the smell, and it'll keep it better. It'll keep it, if you put it in like a really warm place, it's gonna start to smell weird and be weird. So yeah. So as I said, it was good, easy spray. It's nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and subscribe to Classy RS, Vipsa, Chico's Home, all the others. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.